Are you a new YouTuber and you're confused on how to upload your first video on YouTube? And maybe you have created your channel, but you don't know what next to create on. In this video, I will show you how to upload your video step by step using your phone. No stress, no confusion. And this tutorial is perfect for beginners. So if you're ready to become a YouTuber, let's get started into the video. Hi guys, my name is Evelyn, and on this channel I teach how to create AI videos, how to edit your videos, and how to grow on YouTube step by step. In today's video, I will show you how you will upload your video perfectly on YouTube with your phone. So the first thing you're going to do is to open your YouTube studio. Guys, please, I want you to pay attention. I would like you to watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will understand what I'm saying in this video. You will really understand how you are going to upload your video easily from this video. Because if you just watch the video you did not finish watching the video, you might not really understand this thing I'm going to say. And please kindly drop your comments in the comment section. So I will advise you that whenever you want to post your video, post your video through your YouTube studio. Don't post your video from your YouTube. Always post your video from YouTube studio. So if you want to post your video, open to your YouTube studio. This is your YouTube studio. This is your YouTube studio. Open to your YouTube studio, click on it and open it. And in case you don't have YouTube studio, go to your Play Store and download YouTube studio. So in your YouTube studio, you will see the plus sign there, which is this one. You see the plus sign there. Click on it. Click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, so the button is called the create button. Create button. This plus button is called create button. So once you click on this create button, you will see your gallery. You will see your gallery. You see the photos in your gallery, different photos in your gallery. So you are going to tap on that particular video that you want to upload. You choose that particular video that you want to upload. Let's assume I want to upload this video. Okay. Now make sure that your video is clear. Your video has a good sound and is properly edited before uploading the video. So the next thing now you need to do is to add a good title. Next thing you need to do is to add a good title. Look, this place, this particular place, that is where you see your title. It says create a title. Create a title for the video. So whatever your video is like, whatever your title is, whatever your video is, your title will explain it. So your title should explain what your video is all about. Are you getting me? So you must upload your title. For example, now I'll say how to upload video on YouTube for beginners. You type it here where your title is. You will type it, how to upload video. Whatever your video is all about, your title should explain it. Are we getting it? So the next thing to do is to add description. So you see this particular place where they say show more, you click on it. Now you will see add description. You are going to click on the place that add description. When you click on it, so in this place then you will write short explanation about your video. Explain what your video it's all about, what your video is talking about, what it entails, what your video contains. Whatever your video is teaching, if it's a tutorial channel, you will write it down here. You can also add your social media links or keywords related to your content. For example, now in this video, I will show beginners how to upload videos on YouTube step by step using a phone. That is my description. So if that's my description, I will put it here. I'll write it here. Are we getting it? I hope you are understanding what I'm saying. Now once you are done with this description, you go back and go to your audience setting. Do you understand? You go and set your audience. Now look at this place. This is your audience. You click on, let me go back so that we see. You see that place where they wrote, no, it's not made for kids. Click on it. Once you click on it, in this particular section, YouTube will ask you, is this video made for kids? If you know that the video that you are creating is not made for kids, you click no, it is not made for kids. Are you getting me? Are we understanding what I'm saying? So try as much as you can to pay attention to read what you are doing. This video, the video that you are creating, is it made for kids? You will go and write, no, it's not made for kids. That's what this section is all about. The next section is the visibility setting. Now look at this place that they wrote visibility, private. What I want to say here is that before you choose your visibility, first of all, upload your video in private. Upload your video in private. When you are done uploading your video, you can now go back and click on that particular video that you uploaded and edit. Click on edit. Once you see that you are done uploading your video, you will now click on edit. When you click on edit, you will now change this private to public. By then, YouTube would have accessed your video if it has a strike or not. So once you finish uploading your video on private, go back and edit it and put it in public. But if you want to upload it and put it in public directly, this is how you do it. You just click on this visibility set, then before you upload your video, just click on public. If you know that you want your video to be for YouTube to be pushing your video, put it in public, because public means everyone can see your video. Private means only you can see it. Why unlisted? Unlisted means that only people with the link can watch it. And you and I know that you want everybody to see your video, so I will advise you to put it in public once you upload your video. So that's all about this visibility set. Now what I want to talk about again is this collaboration, comments, like and remixing. You click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see allow, okay, sorry, not yet. Look at this particular place. You say alter content, alter content, category, tags and licensing. That's where I wanted to click. So you see this particular place they wrote add tags. Yes, when you are writing your SEO description, you will see something like hashtag so hashtag this, hashtag that, hashtag. Copy that hashtag and put it in this particular add tag. Remove it from your SEO and copy it and paste it in these add tags here. Do you understand? So after that, you also go to your altered content. You see your altered content. YouTube is asking you, do any of the following describe your content? Make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do. Alters footage of a real event or place. Generates a realistic looking scene that didn't actually occur. If you know that you are doing your channel is all about AI storytelling channel, please pay attention here. If you know that your channel is AI storytelling channel, you can put yes. But if you know that your channel you are showing your face, do you understand me? If you know that your channel you are showing your face, you can put no. That is what this part is talking about. You put no, and you must click on this part so that YouTube can push your video. So after this section, you will now go to upload your video. You will now click on upload. When you click on upload, YouTube will start processing your video. Are you seeing it? Mate, and preparing 100%. This is it. So they will start processing your video. Once it's done processing, you will see your video in your channel. Do you understand? So that's it. If this tutorial helped you, please guys, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell for more friendly YouTube tutorials. See you in my next video. Bye.